You mean if you continuously apply the virtues to the patterns? There's patterns in life, right, that we can recognize, see, and use to make your life better, right? So for example, if I do such and such, it will result in me not feeling fulfilled, right? And instead of going towards that pattern, I'm gonna choose a different type of pattern, right? Which is gonna be this such and such leading to this such and such feeling, correct?
Usually people, you know, write, it's called journaling, right?
Yes.
Usually people write down, like, for example, revelations they discovered.
Yes.
Or like mistakes that happened in life.
Yes.
Or something like, you know, big that happened in life.
Yes.
So for example, if you're able to take a mental note and always remember, which is, you know, pretty hard, but you know, journaling will always help you.
Yes.
In order to understand those patterns.
Yes. I agree.
And make sure that you always choose the better path to your, you know, self-growth.
Exactly.